Very nice medicine. Very nice medicine because our time is passing. We have finished the elements and tried to replace the elements with the elements. And we tried the text, whether in the banners or in the shapes. There are things here, for example, a brand, but they are all brand templates. There is money on them, I mean. I ignore it. If you want to use some pictures, such as a computer image or something, I can upload a file here and take one of your pictures that are in the computer image that you prepared to put as a background with something. I can put it here. I can't put it in this place. I will put it in this place. It will come. I place the historical development on 2 lines. And I'll make this text smaller. And I can bring the word computer up here if I want it, you know. This is if I want it. So the word is coming in a way that matches the shape of the computers. And it can be placed here. I can put it in the center like this. By enlarging this computer icon, it will be on the left side, you know. So the process looks a bit different now. If you look here, you've placed an image that you got from your computer, and the request, you know that you are the owner of this image. So you can adjust the positions of the elements and place the image. Here you can work with your hands. This is specifically for the artists. So you can take this pen like this. I'll use it here right now. I'm doodling. What should I do, Aman? Oil control. This is for someone who draws and they start erasing and drawing. This is for someone who wants to draw here. There are people who can do it. There's no problem. These are the old projects we have, and I managed to get my project out, and they allowed us to export it here. We can share it, of course. There's no animation, but I can animate it later. When I share it now, it asks, do you want it as an image PDF or what? I'll choose. PDF won't look nice with this long design, and the Hijri year suggests PNG is better. It's recommended. PNG is natural because this page isn't A4. Let's check the PDF. Just come here. As an experiment, let's try 2 pages in PDF and download it. It's not suitable as a PDF. It's better as an image. I start downloading it to see the PDF. It's long and uncomfortable. How will this page print? On paper, how will it divide? Let me show you a part. How will you control it? You'll have to scale it to fit. If you fit it, it shrinks inside, reducing the right margins. I'm downloading 2 PDF pages. I download to see the PDF. How to print this page? On paper, how will it divide? How to control it? You must scale and fit it. Fitting shrinks it, reducing right margins. On paper, gaps appear as it's not A4, but it's fine for your book. Place left. Right, better as an image initially. I can export if it's a PDF. When I got to the paper, how will a piece of it be printed? The part that will come will be divided. Let me get you a piece of it. So how will you control it? You'll have to scale it and fit it. If you fit it, it will shrink inside, reducing the margins on the right side. From a fundamental perspective, on a sheet of paper, there will be gaps here because this isn't the A4 size, but it will be okay if you're going to put it in your book. You can place it on the left and right on the right. It's better for me to put it as an image from the start. I can export this as a PDF. The best option is to share and download it as PNG, which is recommended. Download the PNG, open it, and see what the image looks like. It's not like the PDF. The PDF, we got both in a compressed file. Let's check this image out. This will have gaps because it isn't A4 size, but it's okay for your book. You can put it in your book, which is nice, but it's better to start as an image. I can export this as a PDF. The best option is to share and download it as PNG, which is recommended. Download the PNG and it will finish. Open it to see the image. It's not like the PDF. Let's check the image. The resolution isn't bad, but not the highest quality. Use it on the blackboard. Students can scroll and browse the blackboard with the image, extracting information. This is the nature of infographics, so I'm exporting it here. I can export it, share and download it as a PNG, which is recommended. Open it to see the image. It's not like the PDF, which comes in a compressed file. The resolution is decent, but not the highest quality. The image is good for use on the blackboard. Students can scroll and extract information from it. I use these images in my book or on the blackboard, linking them to eLearning infographics. I want it a bit animated with some movement. Let's see what we can animate. Go to the animate button. The resolution is decent, though not top quality. I wanted to adjust fonts before exporting, but the image is good for the blackboard. Students can scroll, read, and extract info from it. This is typical of infographics, so I'm exporting it. I'm using these images in my book or on the blackboard, linking them to eLearning infographics. This is fixed. Now I want some animation. Can I animate this static image? Yes, I can. Let's explore animation options. Click the animate button on the left. I selected an element. Everything is animated. There's a difference between page and element animation. I prefer text animation here. I use its images in my book or on the blackboard, and originally I linked these things to the blackboard because we're talking about infographics in eLearning. This is fixed. Now, I want it to be a bit animated, meaning I want some movement in it. Can I turn this static one into an animated one? Yes, I can. So let's go together and see what we can animate. Let's go to the animate button. Do you see those options on the left? Let's go ahead and click on it and start choosing the things I want to animate. Look, I selected one thing. Everything is animated here. There's a difference between animating the page and animating an element. See here, this is page animation. Just so you know, I don't want page animation. I want to take animation for the text here. The word this, but see how the word this is made? Look at its movement. There's definitely a difference. There are absolutely two types of animations, and this is something very crucially important that I want you to focus on. There are page level animations that move every element on the page, and there are animations at the level of text or small elements like images. So I have more than one type of animation. Let's take a look at them. I have text animation and page animation. They are both next to each other. Now let me start with the first one, which is the page animation. I'll choose any type of animation, let's say the basic one, which moves downwards to give you the impression of paying down. It's like saying you need to pay money, but you're not paying for something that has a tag on it. So I'm saying bring it down or move it down. Unfortunately, it wants money down there. I don't know why. There are more options here and they have nice shapes. This one is also nice. It's appealing. You can browse through these options and see what you like. So I say bring it like this or bring it down. Regrettably, I definitely want money down. I don't know why. I mean, there is more than one thing here. And there are good forms, I mean. This is beautiful. Browse to see preferences. Elements appear beautifully. I'll take all from the first page. On the second, animations with text. How nicely things appear. Everything on the first page. On the second page, it's a bit different. Text animations. I'll take the words DOS, Windows 95, Windows 98, and Windows XP below Windows 11. These texts will appear like this or that or in different ways. I'll take the location with the numbers. The number and the location are similar. I'm taking them. Select them all. I'll give them an effect, like this or that. I'll take the words DOS, Windows 95, Windows 98, and Windows XP that are below Windows 11. These are texts that will appear like this or that, or in different ways. I like this one. And I'll take the location along with the number, of course. The number and the location are almost the same. I'm still selecting them with the Shift key, of course. You have the Shift key, so you can select all of them and give them an effect. Let's say this one, or that one, or this one. So you're browsing and seeing what you want. Of course, this one looks nice. It gives you the feeling that it lights up and dims, and it has a flash effect. Yes, this one is beautiful.